Now let's talk about the HTML attribute. Actually, it provides the additional information about the HTML element. SRC, ALT, and href are some example of HTML attribute. And we can use this attribute in image tag and the A tag. So to include the image in our website, we can use the image tag, and to include the link in our website, we can use the A tag. If I go to here again, onlinecover.com websites. So if I click on any news here, then you can see you can see inside the website there are so many images are included here, and also there is a link provided in the website. So if you hover this mouse into up to the down of the website, if I hover this mouse and if I see here this some link are provided here. So how we can include the link and how we can include the image in the website. So let's go into the Visual Studio Code. And in previous videos, we have discussed about the head tag and the paragraph tag. So we have discussed in the index.html file. So let's create another file. The name is html attribute.html or .simply.htm. And if I press here the shift and the 1, and you can see this is exclamatory symbol. And if I press the enter, then it gives me the boilerplate. So it provides some predefined information in HTML. So if I over here, you can see this is doc type HTML, and this is the HTML5 document. And inside this HTML tag, this is lang is actually the attribute. And this language, this is the short form of language, and it is related to the English language. And inside the head tag, we have already said that the head tag, inside the head tag, we can put the meta information about the HTML element. So meta name is equals to meta character set is equals to UTF-8. It means that it is the this character set contains the UTF-8 character. And then the inside the meta tag, another name, and this name is the attribute and viewport is the value. So character set is the name and UTF-8 is the value. And this meta name viewport content width device width is related to the responsiveness of the website. So if you open our website in mobile device, then it must be compatible with the mobile device. And if you open our website to laptop, then it must be compatible with the laptop. And if we open our website from any electronic device, then it must be compatible with that device. So this is known as the responsiveness of the website. And it provides the title of the document, title as document. So I'm not going to change this part. So now let's create one part here, that is image. So let's create one HTML tag, that is image tag. And if I press enter, now we can include the image path inside here. First of all, let's download one image and let's put one image into this path. So if I copy image from here, Control C, and then our main folder is here, HTML course, just download one image and just paste that image into this folder. And after pasting the image into this folder, just go to here. Now you can see demo.jpg, demo.jpg you can see here. So after that, just give the path, and to give the path, just type the dot and the /, and you can see this is our demo.image. And if I run this code by opening with the live server, now you can see this is demo images display in our browser. So if I change this demo.jpg into demo1.jpg, and if I go into my browser, then now you can see this nothing is showing here because it doesn't find the demo1.sim image, demo1.jpg image. So in this case, you can give the alternate text here. So this you can give the name as demo image or whatever you want. And if I again go into the browser, now you can see the image is not shown here, but it shows only the text. So I can put it in the right side and I can put my code in the left side. So after that, again, I just want to provide the demo.jpg as name, and you can see our image is displaying here. And again, we can provide the link here using the A tag. So just type the A tag and press enter. So inside the href, this href is attribute, and inside the href, we can provide the link. And I just want to copy the link from here. And I just want to copy this link from here by pressing the Control C. And if I put this link here, and I can give the link name, this is online cover. And after providing the link here, just go into your browser and just click on the document. Now you can see link is provided here. So just click on the online cover. Then our online cover website is opened here. In this way, You can use the image tag and the A tag. And also I have discussed here some additional information about the A tag. And then we have also discussed about what is actually HTML attribute. The summary, we can say that the HTML attribute provides the additional information about the HTML element. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.